Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi Pariyar and our next topic is dimension reduction. सॉरी मैंने दो बार रिपीट कर दिया सो डायमेंशन रिडक्शन is a technique used to reduce the number of input variable or feature or we can say x in a dataset while retaining as much relevant information as possible. It is commonly used to tackle problems of high dimensional data where excessive features can lead to challenges like overfitting, increased computation, complexity, and difficulty in visualization. Dimension reduction techniques fall into two categories: feature selection and feature extraction. First one is feature selection. So, feature selection involves identifying and retaining the most relevant features from the original dataset. Methods include statistical tests, recursive features elimination, and regularization techniques like lasso. Next one is feature extraction. So feature extraction transforms the original feature into a smaller set of new features. Principal component analysis or PCM and linear discriminant analysis or LDM are widely used for this purpose. PCA reduces dimensions by finding new orthogonal axis principal components that maximize variance while LDA focuses on maximizing class separability. Dimension reduction is crucial in fields like bioinformatics, image processing, and finance, where datasets often have thousands of features. It helps in improving model performance, reducing noise, and enhancing interpretability. However, careful consideration is needed to ensure the reduced dataset still represents the original data adequately, adequately for meaningful analysis. Now, how you will identify multicollinearity Python? So, identify multicollinearity in Python. Multicollinearity occurs when two or more independent variables in a regression models are highly correlated, making it difficult to determine their individual effects on the dependent variable. It can lead to unstable coefficient estimates. We can identify multicollinearity using the following methods. First method is correlation matrix to check pairwise correlation between features, and second one is variance inflation factor VIF to measure how much a predictor is explained by other predictors. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP from states models dot states dot outliers outliers influence import variance inflation factor. Import Seaborn as SNS, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Sample dataset data is equal to x1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, x3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now converting it to the data frame. df is equal to pd.data frame data. Step 1, correlation matrix. So print correlation matrix is equal to df x1 x2 x3 dot call print correlation matrix. Now visualization the correlation matrix. SNS dot heatmap correlation matrix and not is equal to true cmap column plt dot title correlation matrix plt dot show. Step second है variance inflation factor VIF x equal to df x1 x2 x3 ये एक independent variable है x intercept is equal to 1 add intercept for VIF calculation. VIF data is equal to PD dot data frame VIF data feature equal to x dot columns VIF data VIF is equal to variance inflation factor x dot values I for I in range x dot shape 1 print वेरिएंस इन्फ्लेशन फैक्टर VIF, प्रिंट VIF डेटा। अब इसकी कुछ की स्टेप्स होती हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज कोरिलेशन मैट्रिक, चेक इफ फीचर है कोरिलेशन अबो 0.8 और अबो 0.9। तो ये हमारे कोरिलेशन फीचर्स को चेक करता है कि क्या ये 0.8 और 0.9 से ज़्यादा है। सेकेंड, और हाई कोरिलेशन इंडिकेट्स पोटेंशियल multicollinearity. Now, second one is variance inflation factor (VIF). So, VIF values greater than 5 or 10 in some cases indicate sev- indicate severe multicollinearity. And then formula है इसका कि VIF is equal to 11 minus R2 VIF, that is equal to frac 1 minus R square. VIF is equal to 1 minus R2 1, where R2 square, R2 is the coefficient of determination of the predictor regressed against all other predictors. Now demonstrate how you will apply principal components analysis using Python. So applying principal components analysis PCA in Python. Principal component analysis (PCA) is a dimension reduction technique used to transform high-dimensional data into a lower dimensional form while retaining the maximum variance. Here is how to apply PCA in Python using sklearn. First one, we have to import the necessary libraries. For import NumPy as NP, import pandas as PD. From sklearn dot decomposition, import PCA. From sklearn dot preprocessing, import standard scalar, import matplotlib dot py plot as PLT. Sample data set, data is equal to feature 1, 2.5, 0.5, 2.2, 1.9, 3.1, 2.3, 2, 1, 1.5, 1.1 and feature 2 जिसकी वैल्यू दी हुई है 2.4, 0.7, 2.9, 2.2, 3, 2.7, 1.6, 1.1, 1.6 and 0.9. DF is equal to PD into data from data. Step second है कि standardizing the data. So scalar is equal to standard scalar scale data. Scalar dot fit transform DF. Step second है applying PCA. So PCA is equal to PCM and components to specify the number of components. Principal component is equal to PCA dot fit transform scale data, creating a data frame for PCA result. PCA DF is equal to PT into data frame. Data is equal to principal components column PC1 PC2. Print करवा रहे हैं principal components. Print PCA DF. Step 3, explain variance ratio. So print explain variance ratio. Print explain variance ratio हमने करवा दिया. Step 4, visualization है. So PLT dot figure fixed size is equal to 8,6. PLT dot scatter PCA DF PC1, PCA DF PC2. C is equal to blue alpha point 5. PLT dot title PCA principal component. PLT dot S X label principal component 1. PLT dot Y label principal component 2. PLT dot grid PLT dot show. अब steps in the code. सो उसमें कुछ कोड के स्टेप्स होती है। सो पहला है स्टैंडर्डाइज द डेटा। सो पीसी इज सेंसिटिव टू द स्केल ऑफ वेरिएबल। स्टैंडर्डाइजिंग एंश्योर्स ऑल फीचर contribute equally. Step second है apply PCA. So use PCA and component is equal to K, where K is the number of principal components to return. Third है analyze explained variance. So the explained variance ratio tells how much variance each principal components capture. Visualize result. So plot the principal components to visualize the reduced data. So आज का वीडियो यही खत्म होता है. Thank you everyone for watching this.